Hi, boys and girls. So today we're doing lesson 14-7, triangles. Okay. So our problem says sort the triangles shown in the workspace into 2 or more groups. Explain how you sorted them. So it wants us to sort the triangles in either 2 or more groups. Okay. And it wants us to explain how we sorted them. Okay. So there's multiple ways we can do this. Okay, so I'm going to first start off by sorting them by their sides. Okay, I'm going to look at their sides. And when I say sides, I mean here, this side, this side, this side. Okay, I'm going to look at their sides. So, okay, so I noticed that some triangles, like for example, triangle C, has equal sides. Okay, it has this side and this side are equal. Okay, so I'm going to write here, whoops. I'm going to make my group and I'm going to write 2 equal sides. Okay. For that, I know I have C. It has, I'm going to highlight it. It has one side here, one side here. They are equal. Okay, so I'm going to write C down. Who else, let's see, who else has an equal side? Okay. Okay, F. So F has equal sides here and here. Okay, they have 2 equal sides. So I'm going to add F to my group. Okay, let's see, what else? Okay, D has an equal side here and an equal side here, 2 equal sides. So I'm going to write D. Okay. A has an equal side here and another equal side here, 2 equal sides. So I'm going to write A. Okay. And let's see, I believe that's it. Okay, that I'm only finding triangles that have 2 equal sides. Okay, so I'm going to make a line down here, and my other group can be has 3 equal sides. Okay, so let's see. Which ones have 3 equal sides? Okay, B has one side here, one side here, one side here. They are all equal. So I'm going to write B here. Okay, let's see. What else? G has one equal side here, another equal side here, another equal side here. So I'm going to write G. Okay, and I believe that is it. Okay, so then my last group, my last group could be no equal sides. Okay. So let's see. My only one that is left is E. Okay. This one does not have equal sides. This line, this side is a little bit longer than this side, and this side is shorter than both of them. So E has no equal sides. I'm going to put E here. Okay. So I sorted these triangles out by sides. Okay. These have 2 equal sides. These have 3 equal sides, and this one has no equal sides. Okay. I can do this a different way too. Instead of doing sides, I can say, you know what? I'm going to sort them by angles. Okay. So angles that we have learned, I'm going to put it down here. We learned about a right angle. Okay. We learned about acute angle. Okay. And we learned about an obtuse angle. So I'm going to put obtuse angle. Okay. So now I'm going to sort my triangles out by angles. Okay. So I'm going to erase all of, I'm going to erase all this highlighting. Okay. And so now I'm going to do right angles. I'm going to see which ones have a right angle. Okay. And let me take out my SpongeBob to help me. okay? So a right angle, remember what I said, SpongeBob would fit perfectly in it. Okay, so let's see. For B, SpongeBob does not fit in this angle. Let's see. Let's see what number, for A, okay, whoops. Okay, for A, SpongeBob fits perfectly in this angle right here, okay? So I would say that A is a right angle, okay? So over here, I'm going to put A, okay? Let's see which other one could be a right angle. Okay, let's check out C. So C, SpongeBob fits perfectly in this angle right here, okay? I know because he fits perfectly in this angle, okay? So I know C can be one of them, so I'm going to write C. Okay. And just also, not only just using SpongeBob, but let's see if I can make my box corner, okay? Right angles make a box corner, a box here, a box here, okay? So those are right angles. Let's see, do I have any more? Okay, what about D? So let's shrink my SpongeBob. Whoops, not that much. Okay. If I see here, SpongeBob fits perfectly in this angle here. Okay. And let me make sure, let me see if I can put a square. Okay. Yep, I can put a square, so I know D is one of them. D is also a right angle. Okay. Okay, so let's see, what about E? Okay, if I put SpongeBob here, whoops. Okay, if I put SpongeBob here, okay, so yeah, SpongeBob fits in this one as well, okay? We have a right angle right here. And just to double check, if I put a box corner, okay, that fits there. So E can also be a right angle. Okay, so I'm going to put E here. And let's see, I have two more to go through. Okay, if I go to F, can't fit there. Okay, whoops. Can't fit there and can't fit here. Okay, let's go to G. So SpongeBob cannot fit in this angle. He cannot fit in this angle or this angle. Okay, so I believe it's just A, C, D, and E that are right angles. Okay, so now let's go to acute angles. Okay, so I have B. Okay, SpongeBob cannot fit in this angle, so it's smaller than a right angle. It can't fit in it. So if SpongeBob can't fit in it, then that means that B is an acute angle. So I'm going to put B here. Okay. And I'm going to mark it off because I use this one. Okay. And I have F and G left. Okay. Oops. Okay, so let's go to G. For G, SpongeBob cannot fit in this angle. He's too big. He can't fit in this angle. He's also too big. And he cannot fit in this angle. He is too big, okay? So G is also an acute angle. Okay, so I'm going to put G here. Okay, and so I use G. I'm going to mark it off. Okay. And my last one is F, okay? So F, I have an angle on top of here. This would be an obtuse angle because SpongeBob, he can fit here and then he can dance on the other side, okay? So he can dance on the other side. So F is an obtuse angle, okay? My obtuse angle is right here. Okay, so I sorted my triangles. So I sorted them by sides, okay? So 2 equal sides, 3 equal sides, no equal sides, and then I sorted them by angles. I have my right angles, my acute angles, and my obtuse angles, okay?